Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Cisco Webex desktop app, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin the uninstallation of the Cisco Webex desktop app, first, ensure that the application is completely closed. You can check the system tray in the bottom right corner of your screen to confirm it is not running. If the app is present, right-click on the Webex icon and select Quit or Exit. Next, navigate to your computer's control panel. On Windows, click on the Start menu and type Control Panel into the search bar. Open the control panel from the search results. Within the control panel, locate and click on Programs or Programs and Features. This will bring up a list of all the applications installed on your computer. Scroll through this list to find the Cisco Webex desktop app. Once you locate it, click on the application name to select it. With the app selected, look for the Uninstall button at the top of the window. Click the Uninstall button to initiate the uninstallation process. Follow any on-screen prompts that appear to confirm your decision to uninstall. The process may take a few moments, so please be patient while the app is being removed. After the uninstallation process is complete, it is a good idea to restart your computer. This ensures that all components related to the Cisco Webex desktop app are fully removed. Once your computer has restarted, open the control panel again to double-check. Go back to Programs or Programs and Features. Scroll through the list to confirm that Cisco Webex is no longer present. If it's still there, you may want to repeat the uninstallation steps. Alternatively, if you are using a Mac, open Finder and go to that Applications folder. Look for the Cisco Webex app within the Applications folder. Once you find it, drag the app to the trash or right-click and select Move to Trash. To finalize the process, right-click on the trash and select Empty Trash. This will permanently remove the application from your Mac. With these steps completed, Cisco Webex is now uninstalled from your device. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.